Hello and welcome everyone to MBAP's YouTube channel, okay, where you get all the updates with regards to MBA or PGDM entrance exams, colleges, okay, all the updates we have been putting on this channel on a regular basis. So, welcome, okay, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, okay, welcome to our channel. Now, what we are going to share with you today is a latest news which is coming from the AICTE, okay, and if you see this circular that I'm going to share, okay, this was published on 19th, okay, 19th of August itself. So just 2 days before this has come out. So what does this circular say? Okay, this circular is for all the PGDM MBA institutions. Okay, now over here they have said that all the Indian tests, okay, all the India tests, which is CAT, ZAT, CMAT, ATMA, GMAT, okay, along with the seventh option of common entrance exam. That means the state entrance exams, which for Mumbai, for Maharashtra, okay, this is the Maharashtra CET exam, which is there. That means that is also being considered in this. Okay, what they have told that in many states, like in many states, that some of these exams could not be conducted due to the fear of corona. That means this is what they are talking is for the last exam which has already gone. Okay, and this is not for the upcoming exams. Okay, so they are talking about the last exam which was supposed to be done in the past 6 months of time. Some of the states could not conduct those exams. In fact, I know that between MAT or ATMA also one of the exams was not conducted. So these exams were got like they were initially postponed and then they got cancelled. So in that case, what the colleges are supposed to do, based on that, AICTE has given this circular. Okay. Now going ahead, okay, they are saying that okay, here they have mentioned therefore in current scenario are allowed to admit students on the basis of marks obtained in the qualifying exam by preparing a merit list in a transparent manner. What does it mean? Okay, if you are not clear with the qualifying exam, they have told here even more clearly. So what they have told here, first preference will be given to those students who have given the entrance exam. So if someone gave CAT 20 or CMAT 20, okay, not CAT 20 but CAT 19 and CMAT 20, so those kind of people will definitely be given first preference. But if even if after giving all the seats, okay, through that process, if their seats are still vacant, okay, if the vacant seats are still available, candidates can be or shall be selected on the basis of the qualifying UG exam. So basically is that for the undergraduate program, whatever qualifying exam did they give, okay, if that was purely based on their 12th course or their, they had given an entrance exam for the UG course, whatever was the entrance exam that they actually took it for qualifying for the UG exams, okay, that same thing can be used for the selection process here. That means in a way you can say that they have kind of scrapped, okay, the process. They are saying that if you have not given the entrance exam, that's still fine, we will take you without entrance exam. Okay, this is what majorly it says, that AICTE for this year, okay, because this relaxation is only for the academic year 2021. Okay, and this cannot be taken as a precedent for the future academic years. So for next year we don't know, next year they have not told this, but for this year they are very particular that any college which has got seats which are vacant and there are students who have not given these entrance exams and you want to give them these seats, you can still give them these seats without these entrance exams. How are you supposed to do that? That can be done in without, like, considering the scores of the qualifying UG exam. So this is what they have shared here. Okay, now this circular, I know that, okay, for people who are preparing for this year CAT, this is not for them, but they still gives a lot of raises a lot of question in students mind, okay, with regards to what can happen further. Because see, this particular situation, okay, this particular notification has come only because of the fear of coronavirus. Now, at this point of time, we don't know by when this fear is going to go out of our minds, okay, because corona cases, are still increasing every day. In fact, the percentage hike is almost the highest right now in the world. And as per some of the speculations, India can beat even Brazil and US for that matter. Okay, so that's why it is we cannot say, okay, that if AICTE today has taken this call with regards to people who have not given any entrance exam can also be given admission in MBA colleges. So if this has already been taken for like one set of students, this can definitely be taken for in the future upcoming exams as well. Okay, because especially if you don't know what's going to happen with corona in the next 6 months or 1 year time as well. So guys, this is really a big news, okay, that AICT has published. Okay, so but through this news, okay, we just wanted everyone to be aware of that these are the changes which are coming up, and let's be positive, let's be hopeful that no, everything goes fine as of now. In the next 3 months, we have CAT 2020 coming up, okay, and that exam should be conducted. Everyone would want the exam to be conducted, okay. I mean, obviously with the required precautions to be taken, because if exams are conducted, if they can take it from home, okay, if those kind of arrangements can be done, that would be the best way, okay, where you can have safety as well as exams getting conducted. All right, great. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and do like the video and also subscribe to our channel in case you are coming here for the first time, and do share it with your friends as well, okay, so that we can reach out to more and more people with this latest update. Thank you.